get out a couple of trusty utensils. We'll give a little updated taste test, you know, just to be sure. Hello everyone, I just debranched some cilantro for this delicious salad we're going to be making today. But there's black beans and chickpeas and tomatoes and avocado and corn, and then we have a dressing that has lime juice in it and cumin and chili powder, and then we're gonna have some cilantro and some feta cheese in there. It's absolutely phenomenal. So I set my cilantro aside. We will have to chop that up later. Grab yourself a large mixing bowl. We'll need a can of chickpeas, and I reconstituted some dried chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. And if you are using dry chickpeas, I find that about a half cup of dry chickpeas, once reconstituted, is about the same amount as a 15-ounce can. We have a can of black beans, and let's drain those. So I've drained and lightly rinsed my black beans. We need a can of corn. Drain those right into your bowl. And then we need a pint of cherry tomatoes. And a lot of mine are already really small, but I'm gonna cut all of them in half, just so it's easier to stab them and scoop them. Some of the big ones I'll cut in quarters. Just imagine a size you want for either eating it as a side salad or scooping it up with a tortilla chip. Kind of like a salsa. It really depends how chunky you want it too. See, look how teeny tiny this is. Last one. All right, in the bowl. Next up, we are called to add a small can of black olives. And if you don't have these, you can leave these out. I've made it without them before. Or if you don't like black olives, you don't have to put them in. I, however, do enjoy black olives. So let's slice them up, maybe snack on one or two. In with those. And this is where we're at with our bowl. Next up, we need 2 avocados. So a trick, if you're at the store, if you remove the end of your avocado and it looks green inside, that is one sign that it's ripe and green. But also you can feel it's a little tender to the touch. And then we are carefully going to cut open our avocado, cutting around the pit. Then you grab both sides, twist, and unlock it. Unlock that deliciousness. And we want to dice it, so I'm just going to take a spoon and scoop it right out of its shell. And then be careful getting your pit out. Just give it a good whack with your knife while it's sitting on the cutting board is recommended for safety reasons. Scoop the other half out of its shell. Try not to miss any of that goodness in there. We'll dice this one up and then we'll get the other one out. Again, you can cut them as big or as small. Like I said, it's a chunky salad, but you might want to be able to scoop it onto a tortilla chip. Delicious. Where are my avocado fans out there? All right, so we have our bowl of goodness. Now we need to make our dressing. So believe me, get yourself a big bowl. Okay, so you just need a little bowl for the dressing. We need the juice of 1 lime. You might want to microwave it for a few seconds, warm it up, get those juices flowing, give it a little roll. Store-bought lime juice is good too, if that's what you have. And if you are using store-bought lime juice, I will leave a measurement down below for you guys to use. That's kind of fun. And then we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I would suggest using one that's rich in flavor, but if you just have light olive oil, that is perfect also. And then we need a teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of chopped cilantro. So I think I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of cilantro, so we're just going to give that a chop. Cilantro is such a fresh flavor, but I know some people don't like it. I used to not like it myself. I was one who thought it tasted like soap, but I enjoy it now. All right. Into our dressing bowl. There we have it. Give that a good mix with a whisk or a spoon or a fork. I have a fork. I chose a fork because I think it'll help get the spices and salt all mixed in. Bring back your massive salad bowl and pour your dressing all over. Scrape all of that goodness out, and then get out a couple of trusty utensils. I have a spatula and a wooden spoon, and give it all a toss. And I'm just trying to be gentle because I don't want to mash my avocado. I want to keep the chunks chunky. I love seeing all those vibrant colors. I like it when my food is colorful. I think we're thoroughly mixed. Let's do a little bit of quality control check. Do I have a little bit of everything? Cheers. You can adjust the cilantro if you want more of it. I am going to add a little bit more salt. And if you know cumin and chili powder, their flavors kind of take off the day before. It's like they start to marinate and then the flavors just blossom. This might be a good make the night before salad. But of course, it's good the day of. All right. And then last but not least, we need to cut up some feta to sprinkle on top. You can get pre-crumbled feta. That would be real handy, but I got a traditional block. And so I'm just gonna cut it up into real little cubes. And you can, of course, mix this right in to your salad, but it's kind of nice having that pop of white on top. I'm really loving the colorful salad. Is this taboo to be cutting feta instead of crumbling it? Oh well. All right, let us dish some out. Crumble up some of my cubed feta. Wanted to stick to itself. Looks a little funny. Now, you can just eat it with a spoon, as we do. Let's try a little bite with some feta on it. Oh no, come back. That's fresh. The lime and the cilantro, wonderful. And I'm glad I didn't put too much salt in here into the salad slash salsa, because you get extra salt from the feta. And then what I like to do, eat it with some tortilla chips. Like such. And I am going to put in a little bit more lime juice. I had a little lime. It didn't have a lot of juice in it, but the lime, aside from the flavor, helps to keep our avocado from going brown in our salad. So you can just squirt that right over your salad. And we'll give that a mix. Whoa. Couple of extra drips into our little bowl we gave ourselves. That citrus flavor just pops, and it really complements the flavors in this dish. We'll give a little updated taste test, you know, just to be sure. You might need a spoon and your tortilla chip. Yep, that's nice. Would recommend. This is going to be perfect for summertime. So put it on your list of salads to take to the picnics and the barbecues, or perfect for just a snack or lunch. This could be your entire lunch. You got the beans that have your protein, and then your veggies, corn, starch, cheese, tomatoes, avocado with your healthy fat. It's a complete package. Well guys, there you have it. Delicious black bean corn avocado salad. It's delicious. You're just gonna have to try it out for yourself and let me know how it goes when you do that. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you know when I drop the next video. And thank you all for watching. I'll link the recipe down below. See you guys next time.